Hello! Welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, ito yung ating astrological reading for Leo. Ang concentration ng reading natin is solar eclipse. Actually, nangyayari na yan ngayon October 3, 2024 dito sa Philippines. Sa ibang part of the world is October 2 siya. Okay? So, anyway, ang effect kasi nito hanggang April 2025. Meron akong in-upload na video about new moon, full moon, uh, October 2024. You might want to check it out. Diyan sa mga na-upload ko na videos. Pero ito kasi magko-concentrate tayo sa solar eclipse, new moon, and yung effect din kasi ni Lilith, Black Moon Lilith, during this time and sa placement ng planets mo ngayon. Okay? So, anyway, be sure to subscribe, guys, kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe at pa-comment dyan sa baba. Okay. Leo. Alam mo yung main agenda nitong solar eclipse na to because this is happening in the sign of Libra. Kung ano man yung if you are involved in a secret relationship, marriage, ayan. Pwedeng yung iba ito, nangyari na weeks before pa lang nitong solar eclipse. Or yung iba, medyo pwedeng during this time of the solar eclipse, magkaroon ng sa katuparan yan. And yun nga, mararamdaman yung effect hanggang April of 2025. So, if you're in a secret relationship, there's a possibility na ma-reveal itong relationship na ito or yung iba sa inyo is magkaroon ng relationship, new beginning with someone who is hindi pwede. Alam mo yan, yung bawal. Pwede nga naman. Maybe because of magkaiba kayo ng reliyon or maybe yung parents mo or yung relatives mo is not pro dito sa taong ito. So, there's a possibility. And if ever na meron ng relationship, there's this possibility din ng like mag-end siya and hindi magiging maganda yung ending. Ngayon, Leo, medyo mag-ingat ka lang. There's a possibility of pag-aaway or hindi magandang communication sa social media. Maybe even with your neighbors or with your siblings, mga kapatid or kapitbahay or mga taong kakonect mo sa social media. Possible na may mga masabi ka, maipakita ka, maipost ka, or mabanggit ka na hindi nila magustuhan. And it's because there's this energy of these people na parang gusto ka nilang kalabanin or maybe also a father figure, a mother or a father, there's a possibility na may malaman sila or makita sa mga pinagagawa mo sa social media na maaaring hindi nila magustuhan. That could cause a lot of problem. Okay? And if ever na yung iba sa inyo, high chance of may mga tao malapit sa home place mo, hometown mo, or maybe your home, ang mag-take ng actions sa'yo na pwedeng dati nga may limitasyon, pwedeng ngayon hindi niya na-limit ang kanyang sarili and there's this possibility na magkaroon ng actions mula dito sa taong to. Especially kung may spiritual connection kayo in the past. If you are in a relationship or maybe married, ganyan, or you have a partner, high chance of pwede magkaroon ng limitasyon sa partner mo, sa person mo because maybe may kinalaman sa kanyang health. Maybe I can say pwedeng ipinagbawal ng hospital or mental institute. There's a possibility. Ayan. And sabi ko nga, if you are married or in a relationship, there's a high chance of a third party situation or relationship na ma-reveal ngayon or mag-start. So, be mindful of that na magiging dahilan kung bakit pwedeng magkaroon ng usapin or problem pagdating sa inyong mga resources or pagdating sa inyong hatian ng pera or ng inyong properties. Okay? Pwede may mga magre-resurface or makikita ka na mga importanteng detalye sa inyong connection or sa inyong relationship. Okay? And some of you, uh, there's a high chance din ng pagiging mas involved sa usaping spiritual. There's a possibility of you na yung iba, if you want to learn or know more about tarot readings, astrology, or maybe religious kind of stuff, or yung iba, spiritual, or may kinalaman sa mga mysticism, esoteric practices. So, there's a high chance na maging mas involved ka dyan ngayon or mas gugustuhin mo na yung iba, mas mapapadalas yung panonood ng mga ganito kasi may natututunan ka, may nalalaman ka, nabibigyan ka ng guides, and yeah, a huge transformation and changes pagdating sa iyong reputasyon or reputasyon ng iyong partner, ng iyong karelasyon. So, sabi ko nga, kasi nga, there's a high chance of revelation pagdating sa um, relationship and third-party situations. Okay? So, mas maganda kung if you're not feeling okay, kasi medyo palaban kang ngayon, so, might be may mga hinaing ka or may mga gusto kang sabihin in the past na pinigilan mo yung sarili mo, tapos during this time, pwede mag-resurface siya, mabanggit mo siya, and then that could cause an ending within the home, ending within the community, your neighbors. Yeah. And if ever na gusto mo mag-post sa social media, sa online, be sure na i-check mo muna yung iyong mga sasabihin or gagawain or ipopost. Yan. Because that could lead into like, parang hindi magandang um, hindi magandang dating sa mga tao sa paligid mo. Okay? Yeah. And sabi ko nga sa'yo, yung effect nito, pwedeng maramdaman mo until April of 2025. But anyway, if you want to use social media, yung web, or maybe even yung sasakyan, transportation, yan, ngayon, to gain more knowledge or to increase itong iyong creativity, yung iyong hobby, ayan, yung iba pwedeng gagamitin mo si social media para mas lalo kang matuto, ma-enhance yung iyong talent, and yung iba, this is about higher learning. Ayan, maganda ang may tutulong sa iyo nitong social media and ng web, and also technology para ma-accomplish mo itong mga bagay na ito. Okay? And pag ganon, nakikita natin na also pagdating sa iyong hobby and creative na mga bagay na ginagawa mo, mas marami kang maa-attract dyan sa mga yan. Okay? Maybe even love, no? And even money. For some of you, halimbawa, mahilig kang mag-cross-stitch or mahilig kang mag-bake, no? Pwedeng may makapuna sa'yo, makapansin sa'yo, oy, ang sarap ng ginawa mo, oy, ang ganda ng ginawa mo, hindi ba to pwedeng bilihin? Okay, no? So, that's it for now. Thank you for watching. I love you all, guys. Please do like and subscribe, and please do comment down below. Thank you for watching. I love you all, and bye-bye.